Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly forecast for the coming week. This week is very crucial because we have, FOMC meeting also, and some important astro events like, this one Venus trine Uranus. This is very key date for global markets, so this will impact, US, Europe, all kind of markets because it involves Uranus, and Uranus is a very very important planet from stock market perspective. We have Bears Rule 27 also kicking in, which says that big tops and big bottoms. This I've already discussed on my Twitter on Friday, and we have seen the move also. Like Nifty has been moving up considerably from the morning lows. And 21st is very, very crucial because this price's bottom in March was in 16 degrees. So probably we are expecting a big rise from 21st also because the price is at the bottom. So probably US markets cannot do anything. I mean, will avoid doing anything, and after FOMC they can just shoot up. So let's see what happens because at the end of the day, it's a game of probabilities. Anything can happen at any given point of time. So we have to focus on our risk management. These are just small edges which we are using to see how market moves. So now let me quickly show you these two aspects and then we'll move on to the other things. So okay, so this is a very important chart with 34 EMA, and you can see here it is a kind of a it has formed a kind of a cloud pattern. So last time also see Nifty has touched this point, and from there we had a good rally. Yesterday also it has I mean on Friday it made a low around this point only. So probably about 17,580 if it starts sustaining again we can continue the rally on upside and move towards the new high. Basically, like I've told you many times, 18114 needs to be broken. The reason is very simple for 18114. This was the high on 14th April. No, no, sorry, 4th April. This one, 18114. So this, if this level is crossed, then probably we can see a good move. So probably, if you want to do aggressive shorting, so then wait for a close below 17390, and if not, then above 17580, the trend is on upside only. And let me quickly show you. Yeah, so we go here. So this I've applied Venus trine sorry yeah Mercury trine Uranus, sorry, Venus trine Uranus, 120 degree in geocentric, and you can see this date was here 20th, which will come tomorrow, and then probably we'll have this. From there we had a good downfall in the market, then a good rally. So yeah, so this aspects work really nicely, and then comes the next part, which is base rule 27. So let me just go and apply this base rule 27. So here I've applied the base rule 27, and now let's see what is happening. As you can see here, these various lines come. So either we get a major bottom, see major bottom, kind of a small bottom, from there a good rally, and now we are approaching this date here. So probably if today's low is not breached, then we can see a rally all the way towards till 24th. And so these are in within these 3 days because Mercury is in retrograde, so you tend to see these moves very quickly. So 18th is very crucial, which was yesterday. So if today's low is not breached, then we can see a rally all the way towards till 24th. Now, let's look at the GAN angles also. Let me quickly show you that also. So as you can see here, Nifty made a top again around this line. This line needs to be crossed. Once it crosses and close above it for 2 days, there is a high probability we can see a rally all the way towards 20,647. So probably if this low is held and probably it is trading above it, so above 17,600, 610, again it will attempt a point here, and this time this resistance it will keep rising every day. Now it is somewhere around 18,102. So now let me show you the intraday levels, what we are looking at for. So if you can see here, this is the 15 minutes chart of Nifty, and the high of this day I mean the 15 minutes high is 17,564 and low is 17,429. So you have to just go to settings, put these levels in this indicator 17,564, and the low is 17,429. Click OK, and you get these levels. So about this we are long, and probably these are the targets which you can watch out for this coming week. 17,700, 17 837, 7,975, 18,104, and short below 17,429 or probably 17,390, if the price sustains below it, as I showed you in 34 EMA chart, and 295, 162, 030, and 1618. These will be the targets for this particular week. Now let me quickly show you for Bank Nifty also. I'll just open the chart of Bank Nifty with the same indicator. So this is a proprietary indicator which we have developed, and it at times is very useful for us. So you can see how it works. So for Bank Nifty, the high is 4801 and 4509. 4801 and 40509. Click OK, and you can see here it has almost done the first target now, but probably above 14095, 391, 689, 990 are the targets on upside, and below 14509, 219, 39, 39, these are the targets. So you can just, I mean, pause the video and look out for this. Now let me quickly show you the neural forecast also. So this is the neural forecast for Nifty. As it says that the price has come down around 1920, we can make a bottom, and from there we can see a good rally in the market all the way towards 1st of November, but this data will keep on changing. So this is neural forecast. Now let's quickly see some stocks which I'm tracking. The first is Infosys. So if Infosys, this is a major bottom, then probably 1371, this is a strong support zone, and probably if this is held, we can move all the way towards 1453 and 1539, you know and then I want to talk about TCS again, because again for TCS, 3054 is an important level. If this level is breached, then we can see a rally towards 3236. And one stock which I'm tracking in FNO, which is Tata Power. It has formed an outside bar pattern on a daily time frame, and which is very important for trend reversals in the market. So this is Tata Power outside bar. So probably about 248 there is a long trade, and below 232 there is a short trade. 225, 217, and 255, 262, 270. As and when this level comes, the trade can be initiated. And yeah, one more thing I wanted to show you was this Nifty, your 17,726. It's a very, very important level. So once that is breached on upside, then we can see all the way rally towards 18,025. And for Bank Nifty, 40, 4685 is a very, very important level. Yeah. So that's about it. So kindly practice this and let me know if you have any questions, doubt, and let's hope stay disciplined. Thank you very much.